A rhapsody of coastal colors awaits your visit in this 2 years new sparkling home. Located in a quiet section that gets gorgeous sunsets and tons of breeze. 2 generous guest bedrooms are located at the front, a long west/a large hall bath and linen closet. The Magnolia floor plan features an open plan kitchen, living and dining space. Design elements feature a beautiful glazed ocean blue subway tile and steel ribbon pendants with matching chandelier. The primary bedroom is comfortable, sunny and bright west/a chic, modern ceiling fan. The master bath features dual sinks, a separate commode, and a large walk-in closet. A covered porch extends from the living area, where you can sit and view the lake and visiting birds under a tropical ceiling fan. Active 55+ community west/beautiful pool/clubhouse.